Alright, here we go. You ready, everybody? Ready, Ollie?
Yep.
See what it does. I feel like I'm going to drop my phone.
If you drop, I'll jump.
You drop, I'll jump.
No, I mean if you
Has
drop.
it gone? Have you lit it? Probably should have done this from downstairs.
Yep. I hate you.
Stick it right on. Is that what a pumpkin does?
Yes, it is!
Are you serious? How much was a pumpkin? Is that all? Oh, it does more! Yes, get in. White ones. This is awesome. It's been going for about a minute. Everyone, I'm literally hanging out of my window. Literally, if I move to the side a little bit, I'm going out the window. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it. That concludes part 4 and the final part of my bonfire night thing. So, you know, just go downstairs, see if there's anything left. 1 minute. Ah, stop till. Yeah? I'm running! Oh, I missed it. Is that it?
No.
I didn't do much.
No. We did 5 times. Look at
Dad, we've got these still.
Have you not done that?
Next gear or 80.
Yeah.
What's your
Yeah. I'm not telling you whilst the thing is up. I'll tell you when it's over.
Just type it. Get quickly.
Phone, baby.
Phone, here,
baby.
good.
Phone. Riverside.
You fin.
Yeah.
Ben! I know him.
I think that's working. Alright, I think that's it, ladies and gents. I don't know if we're doing the last thing. Dad, I'll clean up this room in a minute. Just,
What? That?
yeah.
All the mud?
Yeah.
That's because you walk. No,
We got
leave
2 more
them.
stuff. Got 2 more?
No, they need fastening to a fence.
Well, can we do that tomorrow then? Yeah, can we do that tomorrow?
We'll sort them out. Don't worry, Jack.
Alright. Bye, everybody. Say bye, Oliver. See ya. Dad?
Why don't you buy?
Yeah, I guess. Michael, say bye. Oh, Michael, just say bye. Ben?
Great.
See you later. Man, just say bye.
What colour?
Just say bye. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Stop going down, but